Students, we are going to do today the sums related to LCM. We have already learned the method how to find LCM using various methods. Today we are going to do some sums, some problem sum related to LCM, and next in the next section we will find the relation between HCF and LCM. So first we will take our sum related to this LCM. So here in this sum, we are going to find the number which can be divisible by 14 and 24. Both 18 and 24. So if you ask to find the smallest number, then you are going to find the LCM. That is, if someone asks you what will be the smallest number, that means you have to find the LCM of 18 and 24. Here also we are going to find the LCM. So the LCM of 18 and 24, that will be, we will use the shortcut method here. That is 18 and 24, and we will divide them at a time. As I can see that 3 can divide 18 and 24 together. So first we will use 3. We can use 2 also. So let us take 2. Okay, 9 and 12. Now this 9 and 12 can be divisible by 3. 3 and 4. Now as we are going to find the LCM, so we will take this 3 and 4 also, means we will divide these two number also. So first I am dividing 3, so I am using 3 here, 1 and 4. So 4 cannot be divisible by 3, so I am writing this 4 in the next step also. So here I will divide this 4 with 4, and that will be 1 and 1. Okay, so the LCM will be multiplication or product of these numbers. So LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3, that is 6, and 3 into 4 is 12, and 6 into 12 is 72. So as I can find that 72 is the smallest number that can be divisible by both 18 and 24. That is, 18 can divide 72 and 24 can divide 72, and that is the smallest number that can be divided by 18 and 24 together. Okay, like 36 can be divisible by 18, but I cannot divide 36 by 24. At the same time, 48 can be divisible by 24, but I cannot divide 48 by 18. So this is the only number that, or the smallest number, this is the smallest number which can be divided by both 18 and 24. So my answer will be, so in the last we will write the answer as 72 is the smallest number divisible by both 18 and 24. Okay, so let us take another example. So this sum is 3 bells after ringing together once ring after 10, 12 and 15 seconds respectively. So 3 bells are ringing. So at first they rang together, and after that they ring after 10, 12 and 15 seconds. When will the bells ring together again? If in this kind of sum, if they are asking you about when they will ring together, that means we have to find the LCM of these numbers, that is the given seconds. Someone can ask you different question. It can be not just can be second, it can be any other things they can ask you. So you have to just remember that one thing, that if they ask you about that when will the bells ring together again, so is this together again, when will the bell ring together again, so the focus about this together again. If they ask you about this type of question, then you have to find the LCM of that 3 or 4 numbers. There can be 4 numbers also. So we have to find the LCM. So the answer will be LCM of 10, 12, 15 seconds. Or seconds we don't have to write, we just only write the numbers. Then we are using the shortcut method here. 2, 5 and 6. 15 cannot be divided, so I am writing 15 here. In the next part I am dividing it by 5. So 5, this will be 1. 6 cannot be divided, so this will be 3. Next 3 I am using 1, 2 and 1. Next 2, 1, 1 and 1. So as you can see, this is my LCM. This product of these numbers will be my LCM. So the LCM will be 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 2 is 6. So the LCM is 60. So my answer is 60 seconds, right? So after ringing together, then they are ringing, they ring after 10, 12 and 15 seconds. So when will the bells ring together? They will ring together after 60 seconds. 60 seconds means 1 minute. So as we can write this as seconds, 60 seconds or 1 minute. As I know that in 60 seconds we have 1 minute, so we can write this as 60 seconds or 1 minute. Okay. So my answer will be, I will write the answer like this. Okay. That the bells will ring together after 60 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, this will be our answer. Now we are going to the next section where we are going to find the relation between HCF and LCM. Suppose we are given with two numbers and we have to find the relation between their HCF and LCM. I am taking two number example. I am taking an example where I am going to take two numbers, right? 9 and suppose not 9. Suppose 15 and 18. So I am going to take this two number and I have to find the HCF and LCM both of them, and then I am going to find the relation between them. So first I am finding 15 and 18. HCF of 15 and 18. First I am going to find this. So I am using the shortcut method. As I can see here, only I can divide 15 and 18 both by using 3 only, right? That will be 5 and 6. And I cannot divide 5 and 6 together because there is no number which can divide 5 and 6 together. So my HCF will be 3. That is, HCF of 15 and 18 is 3. Next I am going to find the LCM of 15 and 18. So in this portion also I am going to divide them using 3. So I am getting here 5 and 6. But as I am going to find the LCM, so I will divide this 5 and 6 again. So dividing 5 I get 1, but 6 cannot be divided. So 6 is divisible by 6 only. So I am writing this. So I can write this as that LCM will be 3 into 5 into 6. That is 3 into 30 or 90. Now to find the relation between HCF and LCM, we are going to multiply the HCF and LCM. Okay. So in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to multiply them, HCF and LCM. As I can see, the HCF is 3. So 3 multiplied by 90. My answer will be 270. So what is the relation between this? To get to know about the relation, we are going to do another thing, that is we are going to multiply this two number, that is the given number. In this case the given number is 15 and 18. So in this section we are going to find the product of two number. So product of two numbers. that is 15 into 18. Now multiplying them in rough. You all have a rough portion, so you will multiply them here. As I know, 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 in our hand, 8 1s are 8, plus 4 12 into 5 and 1, adding 270. So see here, by multiplying or by taking the product of two numbers, we get 270. And here also, taking the HCF and LCM or multiplying HCF and LCM, we also get 270. So here from that we can write that relation between HCF and LCM is product of two numbers. So we can write HCF into LCM is the product of two numbers. Okay, this will be our relation of HCF and LCM. Here you are going to find you can also find the relation between HCF and LCM, and also as I know that HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers, so someone can ask you the numbers, what will be the two numbers, they can ask you using, and we will use this formula to find out the numbers also. Okay, now if someone asks you what find the relation between HCF and LCM and give you some pair of numbers, that is you have to find the LCF first, then LCM, then you have to find the HCF and LCM, and you have to show that product of that number, product of HCF and LCM will be equal to the product of two numbers. That you are going to do. Let us take an example that where we have to find the relation between HCF and LCM. So we are given with two numbers. Find the relation between HCF and LCM of 39 and 65. So these are the two numbers. So we are going to find the relation between them. First we are going to find the HCF of 39 and 65. Okay, so 39 and 65. As we know, we can find 39 and 65 in the table of 13, like 13 3s are 39 and 13 5s are 65. So we are going to divide it by 13. This will be 3 and this will be 5. So my HCF will be 13. Okay, now we are going to find the LCM of 39 and 65. So 13 and 39 comma 65. Now as I know that 3 and 5 cannot be divisible by one number, so we cannot divide them, so the HCF will be this only. But when we are going to find the LCM, we will divide 3 and 5 using different number, right? So that we will get the LCM as 13 into 3 into 5, that is 13 into 15. What we get by multiplying 13 and 15? 3 5s are 15, 1 in our hand, 5 1s are 5, 65, 3 and 1, 195. So we get 195 here. Okay, so now we are going to find the relation between HCF and LCM. That is, we are going to multiply HCF and LCM. So in our next step, we are going to do, I am rubbing the board and doing in a fresh one. So we are going to do HCF into LCM. We know HCF is 13 and LCM we got, that is 195. So here also we have to multiply 195 into 13. 5 3s are 15, 1 in our hand, 27 plus 1 28, 2 in our hand, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. This will be 5 9 1, 8 plus 5 13, 10 15 2. So this will be 2535. You will divide this multiplication by your own and you will just check whether this answer is 2535 or not. Next we are going to find that the product of these two numbers, that is the product of 39 and 65. So that will be 39 into 65. So in the next step we are going to multiply 39 and 65. Please do this multiplication in your rough. So 5 9s are 45, 4 in our hand, 15 plus 4, that is 19. 54, 4 in and 5 in our hand, 18 plus 5, 23, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 in our hand, 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5, and this is 2, that is 2535. So see, by multiplying HCF and LCM we got 2535, and by taking the product of these two numbers we also get 2535. So here we can write, that is HCF into LCM is the product of two numbers. This is the relation between HCF and LCM, and this is true for all numbers. So if someone asks you the relation between, find the relation between HCF and LCM, that we are going to do these steps, this 3 and 4 steps, that is first we are going to find LCM and then HCF, then LCM, then we are going to find the product of HCF and LCM, and then at the last we are going to find the product of these two numbers. So we can see, we can verify that the HCF and LCM will be equal to the product of two numbers. Next we are going to take another sum related to this relationship. So this sum is like this, that HCF of two numbers is 20 and LCM is 120. If one number is 50, find the another one. So as we know, the relation is like this, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers, right? Two numbers. Or this can be written as, that is the first number into second number. Second number. So HCF into LCM is first number into second number. We can write this also. So as we know that HCF is 20, from the sum we know that HCF is 20. So we are going to write 20 here, and LCM is 120, and one number is 50. So as we can take the first number is 50. Suppose the first number is 50. So we are going to find the second number. Okay. Now 50, the first number is in multiplication with the second one. They are in product. So as if I want to take 50 in this side, that is we want to change the side, then it is in multiplied with this second number, it is in multiplication. So as we change the side, if I take this 50 in this side of this equal sign, then we are going to divide it by 50, right? So in the next step we are going to do what? 20 into 120 divided by 50. That will be the second number. What we have done, the 50 is in multiplication with the second one. So as I am taking this 50 on this side, that is the opposite side, then the if someone is in multiplication and I am taking this on the different side, then it will be in division. So cancelling this 0, and 5 4s are 20, we know that. So 4 into 12, right? That will be 48. So the second number will be 48. So this is my answer. That answer will be the second number is 48, or the another number is 48. This will be my answer. So in this chapter we have already done the main portions, main sums related to the LCM. So I will give you some homework. As I told you before, you guys will going to do the all the sums on page 63. You are going to do from 1 to 9. uh, 1 number question is determine the relationship of the following numbers with HCF and LCM. That you are going to find the relation between HCF and LCM. Number 2, let's write the full form of HCF. Number 3, let's write the full form of LCM. And the last sum, that is the 9th sum, is the HCF of two number is 5 and their LCM is 60. If one number is 15, what will be the other number? So you are going to do all the sums from 1 to 19 of page 63. So, okay, after doing this homework, you will write down on the comment box of this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss about all these sums, that is all your homework. We will give the solution of these sums. So please complete this sum as soon as possible after watching the video. And you have to watch the second video also that I have given you, that is a part 2, and this video is part 3. You have to watch the part 2 also. So if you have not seen that video yet, please watch the LCM part 1, part 2 and then part 3. Complete these 3 videos, then do the sums properly. And after this chapter, after we have discussed the solution of this chapter, we will take up I will take a small examination, so be prepared.